We write or print on paper to get information from A to B. Information is valuable when it's providing identity, entitlement, or eligibility, so it makes sense protecting the information and not the paper it's on. At PDSecure, we can help you do just that. By installing and using our PDS Document Manager app, you can produce, embed, and validate your document data quickly, cheaply, and securely. Whether you are an academic institution, business, or government department, using our anti-counterfeit solution will save you time, money, and most importantly, help safeguard your brand integrity and your valued documents. Simply sign up, install, produce, and print your PDSecure document. No special paper, expensive IT equipment, or back office validation staff required. We don't keep your sensitive document data, and you can be printing in as little as 48 business hours. Validating all secure documents is just as easy with PDS Verify mobile app. Call +44 1582 939 787 and protect your brand with PDS. Chat with us online or follow us at PDSecure. PDS. Print integrity, convenient and secure.